Hey guys, what's up? In this video we'll learn about Git branches, how to create a branch, what is master branch, what is head, how to switch a branch, how to view all the branches, and if we switch a branch and if our changes is unstaged, what happened, if we need to be delete or rename the branch, how we can do it also. All these things we will see in practically. So before start the Git branch, why we need to be required a branch? And how many branch we can make it? Suppose we have, and if we have a very large project and we have multiple tasks, and suppose some task will be delivered after 2 months, and might be some we wanted to be delayed, and might be some is required to hotfix also, and it can be possible we have some task environment wise also. So in that case, branch will help out us. We can make n number of the branch according to ticket wise, according to date wise, how we wanted to manage, we can manage it also, right? And these branch guys, we can delete it also, and even we can merge it also later on. Okay, so every branch, every task wise, we will make a branch. Once our task is resolved, we can merge that branch into the main branch, or either we will delete if we don't require it also. So branch is very essential part. I think branch is an alternative of the timeline for a project. So it will make the copy of our working code and create a separate branch, or you can say folder kind of stuff. There we can maintain separate kind of code. And so like if I need to do some POC, I will make a branch and I will do the POC. Once the POC will be approved, or once the POC will be successful, and if you wanted to be released, or if you wanted to push it on the live, then we can merge that changes into the actual branch. So if you change in one branch, it won't be impact another branch. Branch is totally separate, means look like a separate folder we have. As you can see in the diagram, these dots and these circle are the branches, guys. As you can see, we have master branch and we have separately branch that is called bug fix, or it could be the some experimental also. So we can make it a number of branch, and later on we can merge this branch into the master branch also. Even if we run some command, we cite always on branch master, nothing to commit. So guys, master branch is nothing, the main branch that by default we will get it once we initialization in the working folder, or once we make a repository. Default branch we will get the master branch only. Earlier it was the main, but later on actually get changed, and now it will become the master only. So now as you can see the screen, this was the last time we made it, and if you will check the git log, we have 2 log. And we can see we have one head also. So what is head? Head is certainly the point to the current branch, or we can say latest commit to a particular branch. So head is look like as a pointer, guys, that refer to the current location in your repository. So where is right now we have, it can possible in a repository we have the number of branches, means 10 or 20, but what is the current branch you have? So where is the head exactly? Head means the current pointer. So head is always point to the latest commit you made it. So as soon as we change the branch, head also will change it. Now we can see we have the commit like 670E, and let me one more commit, add git commit -m, will write down a message, 4th file, add it, enter it, and now you can see our head is not there. This is our latest commit, so now our head is over here. So that means as we are committing one by one, so our head is also moving, and it will move into last commit only, right? Okay, so let's make a one branch. We'll make a branch with the git branch and branch. Suppose I'm making a branch with the feature E. This is the name of the branch. Once we hit the enter, branch is created, but we are still in the master branch. Branch we can see over here also, in which branch we are, and branch we can see here also. And if you wanted to see all the branch, we can write down git branch, and we can see list of the branches, and this is the star means this is the current branch. And if I need to switch a branch, I need to write down git checkout, the branch name feature A. This is my branch. Now you can see feature A, and now we can say this is the feature A. And if we'll see the git log, we will see our head is feature branch, and feature branch is what the branch is created from, where? Master only. So our feature branch is created from the master. So whatever the master has the copy of the code, that will be come over here also, and even all the log, all the commit and everything, we get it over here also. So it will become a clone of the master. So if I need to switch back to the master, then I need to switch git checkout master is checkout. So now we can see we are in master, and here I'm creating one more actually branch, git branch, or this time we are creating git checkout -b. We wanted to check out also, and we wanted to create a new branch also, and feature B, and feature B is the branch name. So this time branch created and switch it also done. So now if we'll see git log, and if we'll check the git status over here, so what is there? On branch of this, nothing to commit, so our branch is clean, right? And if I need to check all the branch, I can simply check branch list. So right now we are in the branch, right now we are in the feature B. And suppose if we'll switch to the feature A, git checkout feature A, and here we'll create a one more branch, git checkout -b. I'm creating and switching to branch also, both the thing we are doing through this command. And here we are writing down feature a -1, and once we enter, we switch into that branch. And here we'll check git log. Here we can see this branch is the same whatever. So feature a branch is the head is very located. Whatever the master has, whatever the feature b has, whatever the feature a has, all are the branches have the same level of the head we have, right? And if I change it over here we'll create a new file, 5txt, and now I am adding this file into this branch, git add dot, and I'm making a commit -m, 5th file added in feature a of 1. Now we'll see git log. So where it should be? Here. So this is our latest. So what it was actually, this was actually the copy all the previous one, right? So our head is moving it, and now 5th file. So now if I switch to the master branch, so 5th file will be there. No. And now why this colon is came? Because here we have this much of space. So if we wanted to see the below exactly, we need to press some command, or either we can press just simply say Q or quit. Now we'll switch to the branch, git checkout master, and as we switch, we can see 5th file does not exist, right? And it's showing deleted also. So we does not have. And if we check the git log, we have this only log. We does not have any log, and this is actually showing the first is the master only. So this is the way, guys, we can make the branch. Let's learn it one more way to create a branch. So we'll write down git switch, and we'll write down feature b. So another way to switch to branch is switch is the new command, guys. Earlier what we used it checkout, but now we are using switch only. And if you wanted to create a new branch, git switch -c feature b -1. If you hit the enter, a new branch is created, and even that branch is also switched. So this command is equivalent to the git checkout -b. Okay, so we can use this one also. This can be do the both the thing. We don't need to be do checkout and separately branch. Next thing is, if I need to see all my branch, then I can run git branch -a, and I will get all the branch. And if I need all the branch plus some other informations, so then I will write down v, and this is the last commit what message we wrote down. Okay, v means verbose. One more thing, guys, suppose I'm creating a new branch, git switch -c, and this is the branch name feature d, and once I enter it, new branch is created, and we switch into the feature d. Now suppose mistakenly we wrote down the feature d, we wanted to rename it. So to rename it, we'll write down, first we need to go into that particular branch. So right now I am in the feature d branch, so this is correct. We need to write down command git branch -m for rename, and we need to give the new branch name. So I'm giving feature c -a. This is the branch, and you can see this branch has been changed. And if we'll see all the branch, then you can see we does not have feature d, right? That branch is renamed. And suppose I don't want that branch also, I wanted to delete that branch, then I will write down git branch -d. Small d means, guys, we wanted to delete it normally. Capital D means forcefully we wanted to delete it. So here we'll write down the branch name. So if I write down, suppose feature c -1, where I am right now in feature c only, and I'm deleting that branch only. So where it will go actually after the deleting, so we will get an error. So we cannot delete the current or checkout branch. So first we need to go get switch some other branch, like I'm moving to master branch, switch master. Okay, now I can delete it. So I can just simply write down, this is the command, and hit enter. Now this branch is deleted. I will see the branch, all the branch, we can see we does not have -c -1, and we can see all the branches over here also, guys. If I need to switch it through Visual Studio from one branch to another branch, I can just simply select, and checkout and stash, we can choose it one of them, because if we have changed, we need to choose it also. So right now suppose I'm in master branch. So first we will add the changes, then we will commit our changes, file new test file edit, and now we can easily switch it also. Now if I go I can came into feature B, right? Similar to way I can actually change any branch also. So from here also I can change it, or either I can run the command also. Both are the valid. Okay. Now whatever we learn it exactly, how this branch is changing, how the head is moving, and how the branch is created physically, if we need to understand through the diagram, we can understand it also through one of the website, Git school. So here right now we are in the master branch and our head is also in master branch. Suppose I am creating new branch, get checkout -b feature, the new branch is created. So where it is created, master and the feature both are at the same level. Okay. And guys, here the switch command won't work because that is a new command, and older command can be possible to work it over here. So you guys can test for just for visualization purpose. Here suppose right now we are in the feature branch, so our head is in feature. So we'll commit something, so we'll simply say commit and we will enter it. So now one commit is coming and the feature A is actually moving it, and now I'm committing one more thing, another thing is commit, one more thing. So these are the commit is creating in history, and head is changing. So right now in which branch we are? In feature A, and in the feature A, what is the latest commit? This is, so our head is always set the latest commit of current branch. Okay, now if suppose we will switch to git checkout master again, our head is moving in master. Now if I check out -b and new branch name, suppose feature B, new branch is created, right? Now suppose in new branch I will commit it some. So where I committed? In new branch, and one more commit will do. New commit is also moving it, right? Like we can create it again. If I will say git switch to the master, I came back to the master. Also git checkout master, I came back to the master. My head is actually again moved, and here I will write down git branch and feature C. This is the new branch created. So I will just now I am checkout. I'm doing checkout feature C checkout. Okay, now commit in feature C. Feature C is exactly moving it like a way. So behind the scene, guys, this structure will be created, and this is the way actually we will change and we will find out. So if I write down git branch -a, we'll see all the list of the branch also. For the practice you can do. It's nowhere actually it will creating a branch, nothing is there. But for the practice you guys can try it all these things also. Suppose git branch git checkout master. So we came on the master. Now git branch -m for modifications we want feature, and I'll just say B-1. Okay, which branch we wanted to change? Right now is master. So first we'll try to delete it. So -d feature -c. So that branch is deleted. So if the branch is deleted, whatever the commit is also gone, right? So if I'll say git branch -b, so we can see we have these branches only, right? So this is the way, guys, you can do the practice of git command. Okay. So let's wrap this video, otherwise it will become lengthy. So in next video we'll learn it how to merge, how to resolve the conflict. Thanks for watching the video. See you in the next video. Till the time, happy coding.